Hello everyone, ayan, andito kami ngayon sa isang place. Ayan, bagong ano namin ngayon. Ito yung bunker na ginamit pa noong World War II. Ayan, siguro 100 years na to. Ayan, ang ganda ng front view niya kasi ito yung Dover Port, one of the busiest port dito sa Kent. Ayan, yung mga ship na yan, cruise ship, papunta yan ng France doon sa kabila. Ayan guys. So makikita nyo doon sa kabila yung Dover Castle, ang Dover Cliffs. Ayan. So ayan. Ang ganda ng view dito. Ayan, maglalakad-lakad kami. So ayan, yung mga bunker na ginamit pa noong World War II. Ayan no. Tagal na nito. Ayan. Ayun doon yung Dover Castle. Ayan. Ayan guys. Where you gonna go? See what's inside. Ayan. It's locked. There is a toilet there inside. Ayan guys, ang ganda lang. Maaraw ngayon. Come on, let's go. Ayan. Ayan. Nice one. Ayan.
I said this bit is just so it's been light to make it easy
For people.
walk around.
Ah.
And also this place is being monitored because they've had complaints of antisocial behaviour.
Okay. Ayan. Wow, nice. Ayan guys. Ayan, yung France doon yan sa kabila. Ayan. Maybe we can walk down the Haniko going down, see? Later, yeah?
Over there, huh?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Ah, yeah, we can walk going there?
Yeah,
Yeah. Wow. Ayan, wow. Another discovery. Another discovery. Ayan. Ang tatagal na nitong mga building na to, oh. Ayan, ito yung mga ginagamit dati sa mga sundalo dito. Lalo na yung may mga, ayan, yung galing France, galing Germany, ayan. Siguro isang bomba lang yan, ayan, sa Wugo. Hindi masyadong clear yung France kasi maano siya, maaraw siya. Pero minsan pag magandang weather, nakikita mo na yung France doon sa kabila, doon. Ayan. Ayun, dati doon kami nag-walking. Sobrang haba ng lalakarin doon, yung Dover Cliff na yan. Maganda yung view doon. Pero nakakasawa. Same pa rin doon sa kinapunta namin sa Samphire doon. Doon sa kabila yung Samphire, hindi makita dito. Ayan. Ayan, yung Dover Castle. Ayan. Ayan, mahaba-habang lakarin namin. Pupunta kami doon. Doon sa ano na yan. Yan. Punta kami doon. Ayan guys. Come on, let's go. Yan. Ito yung gusto ng jowawa ko, maglakad-lakad, mag-explore. Keep out. Maybe we can go down here. Yeah. Keep out.
About there, you want to see
No. Later, maybe when there is no people here. Parang office to ng mga ano dati. Iwan ko anong tawag dyan. Keep out. You cannot go there. So, we will go here. Careful. Ayan. Ito yung gusto ng partner ko. Careful. Kono abdalapok. Wow. You should have a stick, honey ko. Careful. Ayan. Maganda. Malamig na. Mainit. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Wow. Trail. What do you call this one?
Which
Trail.
one?
What's this? I don't know. Trail. Trail. Trailing. Ayan. Masyadong. Ayan. Pababa. Wow. Careful. First time namin pumunta ngayon dito kasi nga nag-explore kami. Maganda siya kasi free parking siya. Free parking. Wow. Careful. The problem when you go up later. We need some stick. Ayan. Ayan. Kagubatan. Ayan. Ang ganda. Malamig ang hangin. Isang leggings lang yung nasuot ko. Nalalamigan ako yung mga paa ko. Pero okay lang. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Very nice. Ayan yung dagat doon. Careful. Did you see that man just wearing the shirt and the short? The one who, what's this? Who parked next to us?
I'm a big fan.
Yeah.
No, I didn't. No.
You, my God, just wearing the short. Yeah.
Maybe he's not going to be doing any walking.
Could be, maybe. Yeah. Ayan, guys. Ayun.
Lots of different places.
Yes. Good we come here, honey ko. Yeah, ayun no. Parang 10,000 steps yung papunta doon. The problem, later when we
Oh yeah, it's a bit steep.
coming up. Wow. 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 Ayan. England Coast Path. Ayan. Ang ganda dito. Oh. Nakaka-relax yung ano. Mainit. Malamig siya. Wow. Oh my gosh. See Inday. Wow. So you can bike also there. See someone biking on the top.
Is that the other car park?
Could be, yeah. I think so. Wow. Nice. Ayan. Wow. Kung nagustuhan ng jowa ko, ayan, siguradong babalik na naman kami dito. Pag may bago kaming napupuntahan. Ayan, binalik-balikan niya yan. Ayan. Oh. Wow. Beautiful. Which way? Going up or going down? Anywhere. Nothing. The all what's this broke it? Yeah, smash. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Ay, ayan, wala kaming magawa ngayon. Kahapon nag-ano kami, nakadalawang labas kami kahapon. Diyos ko. Ikaw na lang ang mapapagod dito sa Diyosawa ko. Ayan. So, ayun, another bunker. What's this here? Wow. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Wow. We can go back again. Good one. Yan. Ang ganda ng place. Ang ganda ng place. Very quiet. Ayan. Ayan. Let's go, guys. Ayan, guys. Nagsugrot-sugrot nami sa akong bana. Nagsugrot-sugrot nami dito. Wow. Yan. Very tricky. Is it the main road now? Wow, good. Better than the other one. Wow, another. Yan. Kagubatan. Oh, only here? Wow, huge one, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, this is maybe their
I don't know how you get to
their
the
main
bunker.
Main
It's
bunker.
good to get up there.
Yep. Yeah, maybe on this side. Let's see. This side maybe. Yeah. Very tricky. Ayan. Sugrot-sugrot nami. Just here. My God.
Nothing?
I'm not sure. Ay, tricky.
Nothing.
There is, but this one, the ivy. Yan, matinik to siya. Just be careful of this one.
Can you go any further?
No, nothing. Just here. My God. No, nothing. Wala, dead end na. No, don't watch this to come here. My God. It's okay. Yeah. What a life. Ang dami pa namang tinik yung mga blackberries. Ayan. Aray. Kagubatan. Careful. Exploration namin, pupunta kami. Ayan, papasok kami sa tunnel. Yoko. My God. Ito yung mga ano dati pa, matatagal na tong building na to kasi ito ang mga inaano nila ng World War II. Ayan, very interesting this place. So ayan, maybe more than 100 years na to dito. Looks like a castle this one, yeah?
The fortress.
Defense. Oh, what that lady said? We can
This way,
no
just have a walk round.
walk around.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure, it's not too far.
Ayan. Wow,
Wow, not too bad, I think.
not so bad. Yes.
This must be more than 100 because see,
Yeah.
you see that there? That is like
Yeah.
where they shoot out of there. Look at switching now.
Could be more than 100 years. See? Ayan, may mga nagwo-walking din dito. Nag-i-explore din sila dito. Very interesting tong place, guys. Ayan. May na-encounter kaming, may nakasalubong kami ngayong yung mga council, yung
At
taga-barangay.
the top there, I think. Have you tried?
Yeah,
I've never
yeah.
been here before.
Yeah, you can
No.
do.
You cannot do
Why not? You can.
because it is 2 times per year is open.
Are you won't going in
No, we
here?
don't want to go in it just to get to the top. Right?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can go in here, top,
Oh
this way.
Just keep
Ah,
on
This
okay.
and left.
Yeah, the
Ah.
lady
no,
said that.
it's
but-
Yeah, yeah,
outside.
Yeah.
Not here, but
Round
on
the corner
outside.
maybe. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Yeah, we keep trying.
Yeah, thank you. Ayan. Wow. Kakaiba tong mga plants. Oh. Let's go. Ayan. Yeah, it is. Ayan. Very good exploration daw. Ayan. Ayan. Talagang safe to nung ginamit pa to ng World War II. Kasi talagang secured siya. Parang double walling. Di mo siya maano talaga na parang taguanan. Oh, ayan. Ayan. It's like a castle, yeah? Yeah. 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 Ayan guys, ang daming nag-walking dito. May nakasalubong kang mga taga dito. Yung nakasalubong amin ngayon, hindi yung taga rito kasi yung accent niya, yung parang English niya parang kakaiba. Nag-i-explore din siya. Ayan guys. I can see. Ah, you can watch this from that way also. I can. Wow.
See here first.
Wow.
You have to go down there to go up.
Yung mga napapanood ko dati sa pelikula, ito yung may mga bintana. Oh, there is a light inside. Come, see? There's a light inside. Can you see? Yeah, here. See? Yeah?
Oh, no, I think that's the sun. That's the hole in the wall.
No, it's a
Oh, is it?
light.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there is a CCTV, Haniko. Yeah, there is. See? On that window. Ayan. My God, para siyang palasyo yung nakatagong palasyo. Yeah. Yan, there is also a CCTV. Ayan. May CCTV, hindi ka. Ayan, guys. Western Heights. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Andito kami sa kakaibang mundo. We hear from what's this? From outside of the world. Ayan. Yeah. Very interesting. Ayan. Grabe ang kakapal ng mga wool. You can just walk around going there. And then going back. Ayan. Ang laki.
Is the hat in this one, huh?
Ha?
The hat is in here.
Yeah, on the no, not just on the here outside.
Oh, yeah.
That's it. Ayan. Nothing more. We need to go out na.
Go that up those steps.
Yeah.
It
No
just
more.
goes round to the tunnel again.
Tunnel.
Maybe.
Yeah. We'll go out na.
Oh, no.
Just walk around. No.
Or we can go that way, it's quicker.
Yeah, quicker. Ayan guys. Nagsugrot-sugrot sa woods. Ayan, dito kami napadpad.
Maybe this was filled with water under this bit.
Ha? Could be like a pond here.
Like a moat.
Wow, we can have a cuttings of stinging nettles. Ayan, guys. Ayan. may nakita ko nitong pelikula dati. Hindi ko lang alam. Tama ba ako? Hindi. Parang pinag-shootingan ko ito dati. Very old siya. Ang tinatarget namin ngayon, yung makapunta kami dun sa tuktok. Very quiet. Yan. Yung tuktok kasi, doon ang inaano natin. Makalabas kami dito. Kasi pumasok pa kami ng tunnel. Parang malaking ano to siya. Hideout.
I don't think people know it, yeah.
Ha?
I don't think people know about it.
Yeah, maybe only few people can know this place. Wow. Ayan na guys, ang ganda mag-walking dito. Tahimik siya. Ayan. Pero sa totoo lang nagutom ako. Tuwang ko saan pa kaya. Hindi pa kami, nag-i-enjoy kami sa view.
Steps, yeah.
Steps. This way? Ay. Ah, yeah. You can, which way that one?
No, maybe we can. Looks like it's
Yeah,
going
yeah.
up.
Okay, you can. Can. Yan. Careful. Careful, ayan. Ayan, ang tataas. Ayan. Iwan ko. Kakaiba tong mga plant na to. Oh. Ayan. Careful. Ayan. Nako. Ay. Ayan. Ito ang maganda guys pag nag-walking kayo, nag-hiking. Minsan yan. Yung pagod mo mawawala. Dahil sa ganda ng view na makikita mo. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng view. Wow. Maray. Is it going to the top? Why? Careful. We are now out of the world.
Looks like we can keep going up, huh?
Yeah, could be. Why not? Yan. Lalabas kami.
Careful.
Yeah, careful. It's okay.
Yeah,
Cattle
this is it.
are grazing this field. Keep those under control. Yan. White Cliffs, Dover District Council. How is it?
Oh, this is older than this. 1700.
1700. So how many years is it now?
300.
Ah, yung mga bunker na yun, yung mga building, concrete.
250 years
Defenses were began in 1770s.
ago. 250 years.
250 years. So,
Yeah.
250 years na pala yung mga nakita naming mga ano doon.
They think the French is going to
Concrete.
invade the UK, the French. That's the reason.
Yes.
So you are here.
To prevent the port falling to a French invasion.
Yeah. You are here. So we just walk around that one, the drop redoubt.
Okay.
Yes.
Yan, Western Heights.
There's a church there.
English Heritage. A network of fortification defending Dover. So, this is Western Heights.
Yeah, yeah.
Ayan. Ayan, guys. Nakakapagod pero nakaka-enjoy yung view. Ayan. Pwede rin papunta doon. Ayan. Daming steps. Nakailang steps na kami ngayon. Wow. Ayan. This is very what's dangerous when it's wet.
Yeah, and it also says this kettle is grazing.
Cattle. Oh God, maybe it's the same with the. Wow. Wow. And guys,
Take a view, take a
take a
sea.
view, enjoy the view. Wow. Ayan. Ayan na yung Dover, malapit na dito. Dover Castle. Ayan. Ayan. Sa Dover, magbabayad ka. Iikot-ikot lang doon sa castle. But here, it's free. So, yeah. Here, everything is free. You will not you will not pay for the parking for the car parking. Yan, ang ganda. Yan. Ayan. Babalik-balik na naman kami yan nito so next week. Yan. Ang ganda, guys. Wow. First time namin pumunta dito. Itong asawa ko. Basta may nagandahan yan. Babalik-balikan niya yan. Ayan. Wow. Enjoy the view. Sabi doon sa signage. Enjoy the view. Yeah.
Maybe this
Enjoy
is
the view.
Best place to sit last night.
Yes. Yeah. Enjoy the view. Very nice view it is. Yan. Yan, yung doon kami galing. Ayan. Doon kami galing sa baba. Ayan. Doon. Lumabas kami. Pumunta na kami dito. Wow. Beautiful. Ayan. Ayan. Malayo-layong bakarin namin. Ayan. Kung pwede pa, pwede ka pang pumunta doon. Kabila, ibang lakarin na naman yan. Ayan. May mga dalaga doon nag-walking.
You can sit here for a while.
Yeah.
Is it okay to sit on
Yeah, I think so. You can have a city. Here, little bit high. What's this here? Yan na, guys. What a beautiful view. We forgot to bring what's this? There are more tais here.
Yeah, because they said that
The
the
cattle.
cattle is
Maybe I can bring this tai for my fertilizer. That one. See. Yeah. What time now?
12:15.
Yeah, why not? Wow, ayan yung Dover Fort. Laki. Ang luwag pala ng Dover Fort. Ayan. What a beautiful view. Wow. Daming tae. Tae ng baka.
Is that okay here?
Yeah. Yan. Dito lang kami kakain. Lalapag lang namin. Careful. Here in the middle. Yan. Lalapag lang namin yung or we can stay there.
Where?
Here. Yan. Kakain muna kami. Bago na walking. Here, Aniko. This way. Come on. Yeah. Kain muna kami, guys. Yan, guys. Nangaunsa me. Kagigutom na. Ayan, magpahinga lang kami para kumain. After this, yeah, we'll keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going lang kahit mahirap ang buhay.
Delicious.
Yeah. May mga dalawang dalaga doon nagwo-walking din. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan. Yung Dover Port, Dover Castle. Ayan yung Dover Castle, Dover Cliff. Yung Dover Cliff, maganda din doon walking. Kaso sobrang mapapagod ka doon. The same view pero mahabang lakad ka rin. Ayan dito parang paiba-iba. May cliff, may cliff, may tunnel. Ayan. Pumasok kanina kami sa napakamaliit na tunnel para mapunta namin tong lugar natin. Ang ganda, tahimik lang. Diba? Nakaka-enjoy. Ito yung gusto ko. Yung, ayan, yung malaking ano na yun, ship doon mo. Yung cruise ship. Iris, Paris. Yun. Yan mga papunta yan ng France. Ayun, France talaga, malapit lang dito. 20 miles away. Yeah. France is 20 miles away from Dover. So, malapit lang talaga. Kaya maraming illegal immigrants pumupunta. Very crowded na ang England. No place for the legal immigrants. No place for the legal immigrants. Kasi maraming illegal immigrants na gumagamit lang ng maliit na bangka papunta rito. Lalo sa gabi, ayan. Minsan 1,000 ang pumupunta rito, yung mga illegal, walang mga papers. So, ayan. Sobrang ma-stricto na sila ngayon sa pagpapasok ng mga tao dito. Sobrang dami na nila. Lalo yung mga itim. Ang dami na ng itim dito. Ayan. Maybe 30 years from now, the England will be invaded.
There's no more room.
No more room.
No one wants to come here now. Full
The
up.
local British now is the foreigners.
Foreigner,
Ayan guys, nakaka-relax yung view. Parang ayoko nang umuwi. Ayan guys, tapusin ko muna yung pagkain. Ayan. Rice lang, vegetable, tsaka tuna. Spicy tuna. Itong isa kong kasama, syempre British. Bread.
bread and cheese.
Bread and cheese. Ayan guys, tapos pa lang kami kumain. Ayun, nilapag muna namin yung mga gamit namin. Ayan. Uupo kami. Ayan. Target namin pumunta mamaya dun sa tuktok. Ayun. So, nag-i-enjoy siya sa view. Ayan. Nag-i-enjoy siya. Ang luwag ng ano, sobrang laki ng Doverport. Ayun. Yung top doon, yung building na yun. Ayan. The Dover Castle. So, nakapunta na kami dati doon. So, nagsawa na yung partner ko. Sabi niya, dito naman tayo, maiba naman tayo. Ayan. Pahinga lang, nagkape, kumain. Ayan. Kain lang ang pahinga. Then, walking. Walking again. Yung itsura ng asawa. Kawawa. And guys, sarap tumira dito. Nakikita mo yung mga daming sasakyan. Pony ng ibon lang ang maririnig. Ayan. Hello darling ko, what are you doing? Cup of cha. Come on, we'll go.
Let's go.
Okay, you finish that first.
Yeah, let's
Ayan,
go,
let's
guys.
go guys. Yan. Keep going. Dahil mahaba-haba pa ang lakarin. Ayan. Malamig pag nakaano ka lang, nakaupo. Pero pag naglalakad ka, yan, nawawala yung init, yung lamig sa katawan. Ang ganda. Ito yung mga place na gusto kong anuhan. Yung malayo sa kabihasnan. Iba pala pag tumatanda ka na, iba na yung ano mo sa buhay. Anong tawag doon? Yung dati kung gusto mo yung sa city, ngayon nagbabago siya habang tumatanda ka. Gusto mo na yung tahimik, ayan, yung mga puno lang, yung nature. Yan guys. Yan. Yan. Patuloy kami maglalakbay patungo sa silangan. Yan guys, tapos na yung lunch namin. doon sa baba. Ngayon, andito naman kami sa tuktok. Ang ganda. Yan ang mga bahay.
Big though.
Yeah, big.
Huge.
Huge one. Ang lubar hanggang doon. Yan, hanggang doon. Ang luwag pala ng lubar. Yan. Ang daming mga mountains na pwedeng mag-hike. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito, oh. Talagang hilera. Hilera. Ah, this is the train station, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'll just take this one off. That's a good
Yeah, yeah. You can. Yan, ang daming bundok, oh. Ganda mag-walking. Babalik kami dito, sigurado. Yan, guys. Dito kami sa pinakatuktok. Pinakatuktok na kami. Ay! Wow! Macho! Naghubad na siya, nainitan na siya. Tatlo kasi ang doble, apat. My God, your lubot is very, what's this na?
What?
Very muddy.
Is it?
Yeah. Did you, what's this?
I sat on the.
My God.
Really?
Yeah. It's like you have a tae. You put this one on your waist, Haniko. Yeah.
It's okay.
Hmm?
I thought I sat on the.
Plastic, because
Plastic.
you're, when you sit down,
Well, it's
you are
tatty.
on the, it's a mud. Yeah. Ayan. Ano po doon? Yan, parang tain na tuloy yung lubot. Let's go, guys. Come on. Ayan, guys. Yan, yung mga pupunta dito ng Dover, ayan, i-recommend ko tong place na to. Libre yung parking. Yan, magbaon lang kayo. Ganda ng view. Yan, hanggang doon, libutin nyo yan. Ang ganda. Kalbo pa yung mga puno kasi spring pa lang. Pero ang weather parang winter na. Yan. My God, katakot. Andito kami sa pinakatuktok.
Oh, huge place.
Yeah, huge one. Scary. Ah, there is also a way here you can walk.
Hey.
They burn some watch this year. Yeah. Yeah. Ang ganda. Yes, more than. I'm sure more than. Yan guys, ayan. Ang ganda ng mga bahay doon, hihilera talaga. Yan. Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Pabalik na kami doon sa pinarkingan namin. Ayan. Ayan. Layo ng nilakad namin. Ayan. Doon sa baba. Ang ganda ng mga bahay. Ayan, doon sa baba. Ayan. Wow. There's I think that is another parking here. Yeah. Which way? Yeah. Nawawala kami guys. Yeah, I think this is the way going na to car park, Haniko.
Just follow the road, yeah?
Ah, yeah, yeah. Ayan. Ayan guys, pabalik na kami. Ayan, tahimik. Ayan. Let's go guys. Thank you for watching.